How to create a Facebook ad design using Canva. In this video, I'll show you step by step in less than 5 minutes. I have just started my YouTube channel and I'll be really thankful if you can subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you really like this video. Let's get started. It's not easy to create a unique Facebook ad design yourself. You need a professional social media marketer or a graphic designer to handle all your Facebook ad designs for you. In this video, I'll walk you step by step and show you how you can create a Facebook ad design in less than 5 minutes all by yourself. If you don't have an account on Canva, please visit canva.com and create a free account. After that, log into your account and browse to the home page. Now you can click on Social Media here and select Facebook from the options down below. As you can see, all these options here, click on Facebook ad design. Okay, now we have a blank template open on the Canva screen. On the left hand side, you will see all the Facebook pre-designed templates to choose from. You can scroll down and view all these options available for you. If you're looking for anything specific, try searching at the top here. Let's continue to scroll and check out some of the Facebook ad designs available to use. If you notice, there are several templates that are completely free to use. And you will notice some of them have a crown on it. It means these are specifically for Canva Pro subscribers. If you want to use these templates, you have to be a Canva Pro subscriber. Again, if you're looking for anything specifically for your industry, try using the right keywords and search it here. For now, let's pick a template and customize it as per our requirement. Okay, the template is now open on the Canva screen. Everything on this template can be edited. You can edit the fonts, size, color, add new design elements, update new images, and customize it as per your requirement. If you want to adjust the font, please double-click on the text and go up here and click on Fonts. You'll see hundreds of different font options available for you to use. You can select these fonts to see how they look on the template. Once you finalize the font of your choice, you can adjust the font size and change the font color as per your requirement. To change the font size, go up here and adjust the font size. If you want to change the font color, you can go here and adjust the font color. If you want to add any new design elements, go on the left hand side and click on Elements and search for anything specific you are looking for. In case if you want to delete the design element, select the element and click on the delete icon here. If you want to move this design element, select the element and move it around like this. If you want to update images on this template, go on the left hand side and click on Elements and search for any stock photos. Or you can go down here and click on Uploads to upload any image of your choice. To resize anything on this template, for example fonts, design elements, images, or any other graphics, there is a shortcut. Select it and resize them like this. In case you made any mistakes while editing this template, you can always go up here at the top and click on this Undo button here. Once you are done with all the updates on this template, go on the top left hand side and click on File, and then click Save. For your information, Canva also saves all of your work automatically, so you cannot lose any of your work. If you wish to download this Facebook ad design, go on the top right hand side and click on Share, and scroll down and click on Download, and download the file directly on your computer. You will also see options to choose different file type and download this file in different sizes. See, that was so easy. Now you don't need anyone else to help you with your social media work. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials like these.